does your skincare routine truly work for you? Many of us guess what our skin needs, leading to frustration. Products can make us oily, dry, or irritated. Understanding your skin type can help. Skin types are more than just labels, they act like blueprints. Dermatologists insist that genetics and environment shape our skin. Sebum, hydration, and sensitivity tell your skin's unique story. For instance, humidity can accentuate oily skin, while winter air can worsen dry skin. We might think our skin remains consistent. However, hormones, aging, and climate shifts alter its needs. This guide aims to help you discover your skin type. It covers 5 main categories and how to identify yours. So why does knowing your skin type matter? Your skin type is like a personal map guiding your choices. Using products that align with your skin keeps it healthy and prevents irritation. Identifying your skin type supports effective skincare. Oily skin may need lightweight products, while dry skin demands rich creams. Therefore, using the wrong products can harm your skin barrier. Proper identification offers long-term benefits. Choosing suitable products maintains your skin's elasticity and reduces wrinkles, making it less sensitive to the environment. Now, let's explore the 5 basic skin types. Normal skin feels balanced with minimal oil and few breakouts. Oily skin shines prominently, especially in the T-zone, while dry skin feels tight after washing. Combination skin exhibits both oily and dry characteristics. Identifying your skin type is simple and can be done through various methods. The bare face test requires clean skin and avoids products for 30 minutes. The blotting sheet method uses oil-absorbing sheets to analyze shine levels. Daily observation lets you track your skin's behavior over a week. For advanced techniques, pore size analysis offers insights into oil production. Environmental reaction tracking notes how your skin behaves in different climates. Myths about skincare can mislead you. Many believe oily skin doesn't need moisturization, yet this isn't true. Likewise, skin types are not set in stone. They can change over time due to various factors. Your DNA shapes your skin type, but lifestyle choices and environment play significant roles too. If DIY methods fail, consult professionals for precise skin hazard evaluations. They use advanced imaging technology for accurate diagnoses. For at-home checks, quizzes online can offer initial insights, while mobile apps assess your skin using your selfies. Look into home microscopy devices for detailed examinations. To build your skin profile, start a skincare journal. Track daily texture, reactions to products, and other vital patterns. This documentation enhances understanding and helps in product selection tailored to your type. Remember, skincare needs adapt over time. Regular assessments every 6 months are crucial, especially during hormonal shifts or environmental changes. Keeping a log aids both you and your dermatologist in managing your skin. Skincare may evolve as you age or with significant life events. Understand that changes signify adjustments in routine. Use targeted products for all skin types using gentle and effective ingredients. In summary, knowing your skin type empowers you to make informed choices. Conduct regular checkups, utilize helpful tools, and maintain a consistent regimen tailored to your skin's needs. Feeling lost in your skincare journey? Start with CeraVe's free skin type quiz or consult a dermatologist. Your skin's unique story deserves attentive care and tailored solutions. The message is clear. Effective skincare begins with understanding your skin. Don't hesitate. Initiate your journey toward healthier skin today. For more information, visit skin.bz.